Hi, this video we are going to talk about the difference between an if and a while. What do you think is the output? Is there anything wrong with these codes here? We have a variable price equals to 115. Let's assume this is the price for a normal ticket. And we ask user to enter day and store it into the day variable. So this is asking whether it's a Monday, which we input day equals to 1, or Sunday, which the day is equals to 7. So if it is 3, means Wednesday. Then we check if the day is less than 1 or the day is bigger than 7, means that the user has entered an invalid day. We would print invalid day, please re-enter, and ask the user to enter another day. We then proceed to check. If the day is bigger than 5, means it's a weekend, then we apply a discount of 12%. So we do a price multiplied by 0.88. And we print it's a weekend, and what's the price? Else means the day is not bigger than 5. If the day is not bigger than 5, means it's a weekday. There is no discount applied here. Let's look at the outcome. So the code runs, we assign 115 to price, ask the user to enter the day. User enter 8. 8 is bigger than 7, so this if condition is true. You then go in and print invalid day, please re-enter, which is this statement here. And the user enter 8 again. So after entering 8, it moves down to check. Oh, 8 is bigger than 5, which means it's a weekend. And it will apply a discount and print out. That's where you see it's weekend, day equals to 8, price equals to 101.20. But we know that 8 is an invalid day. So this if statement can check for invalid day, but it only check once. We may need to keep repeating this check in order to make sure the user enter a valid day. We have to keep repeating this check until it's correct, but we are not sure how many times it's going to repeat. So in this case, we cannot use an if statement because the if statement only checks the condition once. We have to use something called a while loop to do this. While loop works like a repeated if in a way. So if we replace this statement, if, just by this keyword while, and we look at the output. Now user enter 8. 8 is bigger than 7, is invalid. We ask user to enter day again. User enter 8. After user enter 8, it will repeat checking this condition and finds that it is still bigger than 7, so this condition is still true. It will print invalid day and ask user to enter, which is here. And let's say the user entered for the third time, -1, invalid input. It will repeat doing this check and sees that this is still true and say invalid day, please re-enter. That's why you see here. Finally, the user enters something valid, 7. And they check, oh, now 7 is not less than 1, 7 is also not bigger than 7. It then comes out and check, 7 is bigger than 5, it's a weekend, and prints out correctly. A while loop works a little bit like if. It has a test condition, and as long as the test condition is true, it keeps repeating. The only difference between an if and a while is that if tests the condition only once, but a while loop keep testing the test condition until it is false before it moves on to the next statement. I hope this video is useful for you to understand the difference between if and while. If this video is helpful for you, please help to like the video. Thank you.